Kag sa Good Vibes, Loyola FC Victorious players ang ginpakilala na. Kabahin sa ila ginahandom ang mabalik ang championship titles para sa mga Negrense fans. May report si Nico Delfin.
Hindi malipod sa katapos ang Loyola FC Victorias ang pressure gikan sa mga Negrense fans nga nagahandom sa mga kampyonato kasubong sang kadalagaan sang Anay Ceres Negros FC nga makaapat man ka beses nga nagkampyon sa Philippine Football League. Nahangpan ini ni team captain Kurt Dizon nga nangin kabahin sang Ceres Negros FC nga nagkampyon sang 2018.
Personally, from experiencing it, I know there's a lot of pressure that comes with it because the fans are unbelievable. Like, I haven't seen anything like that outside of the Philippines. And so I'm hoping that we can get that back at this club and we can build something great again because that was amazing to see. So yeah, big things to live up to for sure.
Ginpahayag ni Coach Roxy Dorlas nga nangin mabudlay ang ila nagyan nga mga pagtilaw sa pagsugod sang season pero magatinguwa sila nga malakip sa top 4 teams antes matapos ang season.
But we're currently ranked at 7. If we can make top 4, I think it will be very difficult right now. But definitely for the 3 remaining games, we're looking to finish now.
Naging kaupod sang team ang Hawaiian-Japanese midfielder nga si Leon Morimoto kag ang bago nila nga mga recruits nga sanday Kazu Zudo, Koki Narita, Okamoto Natsu, Eugene Ariola, Maki Tobias, Tarsh Garciano, Shane Salino kag ang 23 anyos nga Filipino-Canadian fullback nga si Aaron Vasquez.
You know, as football players, you know, we're here to, inspire players and inspire people and just make sure, everyone's having a, great time. So I'm very excited. I think, we have a lot, like Kurt said, we have a lot of things to live up to. So we want to make a lot of people proud. Thank you for the support.
Also knowing that Victorias is like a really foundational part about that, it's definitely something that we all want to really perform our best in. And definitely just make sure that whenever I step out into the pitch, just to give my 110%, not just for myself, but for the community as well. Because
Excited man si Loyola FC Victorias Club owner Keith Buyko nga madala ang hinampang sa bago kaayo nga Victoria City football pitch sa sulod sa Victoria City National High School. Ginapaabot nila ang recruitment sa mga local players upod sa team kabang daran nga regular sila nga nagapatigayan sang football clinic sa syudad.
This is a journey. This is not a one-season thing. We hope to give more to the community and of course, we want to invite all the other football fans and supporters to help us in this journey. And
Si Victoria City Mayor Javier Miguel Benitez ang naghatag suporta sa Loyola FC Victorias sa tuyo nga mas mapasanyog ang kultura kag sports program sa Isla Sang Negros. Nico Delfin para sa DigiCast Negros.